Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about the proper usage of hashtags on Pinterest. Let's get started. Hashtags on Pinterest have been functional since 2017. It greatly benefits marketers who need more exposure on their pins. But there was a time when Pinterest does not recommend its users to apply hashtags on their pins. Today, you can apply hashtags on your pins, but there are still some marketers who are not able to apply the proper usage of hashtags on Pinterest. Pinterest recommends you to use only a few hashtags. You should add hashtags that are no more than 20 hashtags per pin. This is to lessen the spam activity on the platform. Use hashtags describing your pin. It is recommended that the hashtags that you will apply on your pins must be descriptive and specific, and it should describe the content in your pins. It doesn't need to have a long set of phrases like hashtag I look stunning in hats, but enough to make your content prioritized by Pinterest's algorithm like hashtag outfit for moms. Hashtags on Pinterest can help you improve the visibility of your pins on Pinterest search results. When a pinner searches for a hashtag, Pinterest will show results of fresh pins that use that hashtag. As a result, it will show at the top of their feed, giving you more pin exposure. Using hashtags is a way for pinners to discover your content. You have to take advantage of using hashtags on Pinterest since not all users include them on their pins. When a pinner who can be your target audience and a ready buyer searches for a hashtag that match the hashtags on your pin will be shown on top of the feed. So where should you add hashtags? The best place to add hashtags is on the pin's description. To add tags on your pin's description, type in the hash key before any keyword or phrase. And remember not to add spaces in between words. It is recommended to add hashtags at the end of your pin's description so that it will look cleaner. This also applies to the pins that are saved by a pinner. As you can see, the hashtag was used here in the description below. You may notice that the hashtags on the description below are shown in blue text and are clickable. Next, add hashtags on the pin's title. Some pins include hashtags at the end of the pin's title. As you can see in the search results, the hashtag casual outfit that was placed at the end of the pin's title showed the pin on the top search results. Now that you have discovered that you can use hashtags on your pins, you probably are wondering if you should add hashtags on your older pins. You can add hashtags on your older pins, but it will not help your older pins show up on the first search results on the pinner's search feed. Pinterest will only apply showing pins with the hashtags to newer pins as it will be shown on top of the search feed. Remember to use fewer hashtags. Having too many hashtags will make your pin look unprofessional and it might seem spammy. Less than 5 hashtags are safe to use. Avoid using the same technique of using hashtags on other platforms like Twitter or Instagram. Now that you know about the proper usage of hashtags on Pinterest, we can now proceed to the next topic, proper keyword research. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.